How to add multiple videos to Instagram story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple video to your Instagram story. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy with this video. In order to add multiple videos to your Instagram story, what you can do is simply go ahead and open up Instagram, right? So once you open up Instagram, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen, and once you do so, you can head into story option. Here, tap on the post option at the bottom left corner here. Now here you can tap on the select option at the right hand side of the screen, and then select multiple videos that you would like to post on your story, and then tap on next and go ahead and post it. So this is how you can upload multiple videos to your Instagram story. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.